Hello everyone. Now our topic for the circles, we have sum of central angles and intercepted arcs, their relationship. We have also the arc addition postulate and the relationship between inscribed angles and their intercepted arcs. Karon mo atuta sa ginatawag natong inscribed angles. Okay, inscribed angles. Unsay definition sa inscribed angle? An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex lies on the circle and the sides contain chords of the circle. For example, kani, we have here in circle A, nakita nata dire mga points on the circle. We have point X, point Y, and point Z. Nakita po natin mga chords dire, and they form an angle. Nakahimo gani siya og triangle. So, using circle A, we have here, we can say na meron tayong tatlong angles na na-form. Natay na-form dire. We have angle X. This is also angle Y. And we have here angle Z. Okay. So, atong hisgutan ang ilahang mga intercepted arcs. Kay unya, atong hisgutan po, unsa po ang relasyon sa inscribed angle ug yang intercepted arc. Okay, so we have here angle Y. Angle Y, this angle here, intercepts what? Arc. Yes, that's correct. Arc XZ. Ayan. So, kani ang yang intercept. Okay. What about for angle X? Yes, we'll use another color. Angle X, ang yang intercepted arc. Asa man putob ang iyahang chord asa yung giputol. Yes, that's correct mo na ang yang intercepted arc. Pasaylo kayo sa mga hiwi. Okay, and the last angle here is we have angle Z. Angle Z intercepts this arc. Arc XY. Ayan. Arc XY. Dali lang pag-identify sa ilahang intercepted arcs. Now, there are different ways or cases in which an angle can be inscribed in a circle. Parehas ani na itulo ka pamaagi. So here, one example is the center of the circle is on one side of the inscribed angle. Tanaw ni mo ni ang itong inscribed angle, angle ABC. So ang center sa circle naa sa isa ka side sa mao nga angle. Kani diri naa siya diri na si X kang BC na side ni angle ABC. Another, the center of the circle is in the interior of the inscribed angle. Ang center naa sa sulod, no? Mao man ni ang angle nato ABC. Ang center naa sa sulod sa inscribed angle. And the last is the center of the circle is on the exterior of the inscribed angle. Ondara, ato ang inscribed angle, ang center naa sa gawas kibali sa ato ang angle. Okay, now, let us try to look at these examples. Tanawa, given circle C. Okay, circle C. So, arc HD, tanawa na to. Atong i-check ang inyuhang nasabtan. Okay, kinsa man nga angle ang nag-intercept kay arc HD. So, pangitaa dayon asa si arc HD. Dara si H, dara si D. So, ibig sabihin, kani. Muni si arc HD. Yes, it's a minor arc. Ang question, it is intercepted by what angle? Unsa nga angle? Okay, it's angle. Actually, duha. So, tanawon nimo kani, could be this one, and then this one. Kana. That is angle H. We'll start here. H, G, D, and unsa pa na pa isa. We also have kanipod nga part dire gamitan nato laing color. This one. Okay, this angle. Kaning angle. Unsa man ang angle? That is angle HFD. Duha. Angle HFD. Now, another. We have arc AB. Arc AB, dara si AB. Arc AB is sapod nga angle. Kung makita na to, dara, kani nga mga doon na mga linya diri nga nakakonect. We have here the chords, kani, o kani. Ayan. So that means this angle. Unsa ni nga angle? That is AGB. So we have AGB and unsa pa? Napagyud. This one. Kani pod, kani nga part, kani. We have here this one and this one. So kani nga angle, we have AFB. Angle AFB. Yan. What about HA? HA. Dara si HA. Here is HA. So tan-awon nimo nagyapoy duha. So kaning angle. So sa pangalan ani that is we'll use another color. That is HGA and isa pa HFA. Yes, this angle, kaning angle. This one. We have the HFA. So we have here angle HFA. Ayan. Okay, now tanawan nato. Angle na ang given and then unsa ang iyang gi-intercept nga arc. We have here angle DGF. DGF. So ibig sabihin this one DGF kaning angle asa siya nag-intercept. Unsa iyang gi-intercept nga arc? Yes, this one kani. And it's a minor arc, so we will just use the endpoint. So we have here arc DF. And lastly, angle HFG. We have here HFG. Dara. HFG. So ibig sabihin this angle. Asa na siya nakatubang? Or asa na iyang intercept? Correct. This one. It's arc HG. Importante nga kabalo mo ma-identify sa intercepted arc o ang angle nga nag-intercept sa iya kay atong isgutan ang ilang relasyon. Okay, we have here the relationship of the measures of the inscribed angle and the intercepted arc. So, here it is stated, the measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. So daw, ang sukod daw sa inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 katunga sa iyang intercepted arc. Ayan, for example, kani. So ang measure daw ani ni angle ABD, kani kay inscribed angle man is katunga lang sa asa iyang intercepted arc. Yes, it's arc AD. So katunga lang daw ni siya anang AD. We also have here angle AED. Si angle AED, pareho silang intercepted arc AD pod. So si AED is also 1/2. Katunga lang siya ni AD. Okay, so for example, in circle C, the measure of angle ACD. Unsa man ni si ACD? ACD is, yes, a central angle. Kani daw siya? This one is 100. 100 ang iyang sukod. Ayan, naputol. Okay, we have 100 degrees. Ang pangutana, find the measure of arc AD. Okay, pila man si AD? 100 ni si ACD, angle ACD which is central angle. Correct. AD is also 100. Mo man to tong gisgutan kaganina. Ang sukod sa central angle equals a iyang intercepted arc. Okay? Okay, so we have here 100 si arc AD. Now, yan. Karon, the next question. What is the measure of angle AED? Yan. AED. So, AED, it's this one. Kaning angle. Pila daw siya. Okay, based on the statement, This is an inscribed angle. Si AED is an inscribed angle. Ang measure niya is 1/2 sa measure sa iyang intercepted arc. So we have here, that is equal to 1/2 the measure, 1/2 the measure of arc AD. Since arc AD is 100, therefore 1/2 of that is 50. Yan, 50. So we can say that the measure of angle AED is 50 degrees. Ayan, katunga lang siya. Next, another. What about ABD? Ito, ABD. Okay, angle ABD is, dara, mo ni si angle ABD. That is also, yes, an inscribed angle. Asa yung intercepted arc? Yes, it's also arc AD. So based on this, ang measure ana niya is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Kung sa yung intercepted arc, arc AD. Ayan. So we have 1/2. Arc AD is 100. So we can say that the 1/2 of 100 is 50. Therefore, the measure of angle ABD is equal to 50. Ayan, very easy. I hope nga nasabtan ninyo ang ato ang presentation. And don't forget to answer the questions at the end of this presentation. So, pwede ninyo i-comment ang inyong mga answer. Thank you and goodbye.